Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of a more difficult recipe, even though it's not really difficult. It's just a lot of steps. It tastes fantastic and definitely different, so I hope you give it a try, even though it might seem a little bit more difficult than it actually is. You want to start out with a baking sheet with baking paper, and you want to spread some ricotta cheese on top of that. You want to spread it out a little bit. And then you want to take a lemon and you want to grate some of that lemon peel over the ricotta. You can just see how much you like. You can do the whole lemon if you want to. Then you want to add some chili flakes, the honey, and you want to try to sprinkle that in a even way all over. Then you are ready to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Now while that's in the oven, you can take a second lemon and you want to cut it into very thin slices, as thin as you can possibly make them. Then you want to take a pan with some oil and you want to go ahead and fry these lemon slices from both sides. Now this is a bit of a tricky task and you can decide whether you want to do that. I think that the recipe would be fine without this step. It's definitely something for lemon lovers, sorry. But yeah, you just go ahead and decide whether you want to do this step. Then you want to get the lemons out of the pan when they are fried. And you want to let them cool down at the side. Now we're going to go and do the pesto. You want to start out with some pistachios and you want to put that into your food processor. You want to go ahead and add the mint leaves, as well as the basil. Then you want to add the juice of half of a lemon, and you can use the one that you have already used the peel from. Then olive oil, obviously. A little bit of salt and some water. And then you want to go ahead and give that a good mix until you get an even paste. Now that's the pesto done. You want to go ahead and scoop that out into a mixing bowl. And now you want to cut down the fried lemon slices into even smaller bits, like really tiny if you can, and you want to throw that into the pesto and mix it in. I think in the end we only used half a lemon, so that was enough for us. Now you want to prepare the zucchini noodles. So we have this special little thing for that, but I'm sure there's other techniques as well. Just get thin small slices of the zucchini. You want to put that in a large pan or bowl, and you want to add your hot water. You can also add a little bit of salt if you want to, and let that sit for about 3 minutes, and then they should be ready. So you want to pour it out like that, get rid of the water, throw them back into your pan, and go ahead and add your pesto. Then you want to give that a good mix so the pesto is distributed evenly all over the zucchini noodles. Now you can put those onto a plate, and by now your ricotta should be finished as well. So you want to sprinkle some of that on top. You want to make sure you don't burn your fingers if it's still hot, so make sure you are safe there. But this definitely tasted amazing. I loved the sweetened ricotta on top. It was so delicious. So this is definitely a different recipe, but one we enjoyed nonetheless, and I hope you enjoyed watching this as well. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.